Hello, everybody. Hope you're all having a very good morning. So, in expectations that the central banks will slow the pace of interest rate hikes, the US stocks moved a little higher while the Treasury yields bonds dropped as inflation figures moderated. At 6.5, SGX is indicating a 40-point gap up at 17,990. In Indian ADR, we have all the banks are up except the ICICI Bank at 0.28% down, and Tata Motors is down 1.57%, and Infosys is up 1.55. In stocks to watch, we have HCL, PVR, Railway Vikas Nigam, Asian Paints, Rama Tubes, etc.
No, L&T is what?
I'm so sorry. Yeah.
What is L&T telling? Go up, go up.
Yeah.
Subsidiary of Larsen & Toubro will acquire smart world and communication business. Okay. Some intercompany transfer.
Today in results, we have Wipro, L&T, Just Dial, etc. The Infosys and HCL Technologies beat the street by the estimates, and in bulk deals.
The HCL is a big beat.
Yes.
Yeah, almost 4% beat. 26,089 versus 26,700. The top line. Even bottom line also, the 5,228 versus 4,827. So the estimates were not proper. And that's a big beat. So the stock should open with a big gap. Where is it putting? HCL.
Check.
1043, 1044.
In the pre-market open, it is down.
How big it's up?
It was closed at 1071. Now it's opening 1043.
It's down, Cora. It's down 2.59% in pre-market.
Why it should open with a gap up. Those results are not convinced. What results? Jack, what is opening positive?
Yeah.
Just delete that video.
Doesn't work like that. Okay, yeah.
Banks, SBI and Bajaj Finserv.
Yeah. All the banks a little up.
ICICI Bank. Okay. Infi?
Infi is up.
Only 0.2% up.
Okay. All right, come back to the news.
In bulk deals and Paytm, Morgan Stanley and Gisalo Master Fund bought shares, while Alibaba sold 1.92 crores of shares at that, which is 3% at 536.95 rupees. Then in the money market update, the rupee closed 0.03% higher against the US dollar at 81.55 on Thursday compared to the Wednesday's close of 81.58. In the FNOQs, FII were net sellers and they sold around 1,662 crores, and DII were net buyers and they bought around 2,127 crores. Here in index options, FII were long and it's around 12,000 crores. Overall, there was a notional addition of 9,842 crores. That's all for the news part. Moving on, Cora, are we doing a 100K show first or 200K?
No, actually, wait, because we might as well carry into HDFC Bank results rather than trading, unless otherwise it's a big gap up. But it's not a big gap up. Where did Bank Nifty close?
Bank Nifty is
60 points up.
Yes.
Won't be a big. Just put a limit order on the 17.8 PE.
Yeah. At?
About 10-12%. That would be 90.
90?
Yeah, 90.
I placed a limit order for 90.
So it's not a big gap of as such.
Okay.
All right. So actually the CPI breakdown, that particular chart.
Yeah. This is the CPI breakdown.
The worry thing there still is the shelter, which is the housing. That's not down ticking. Whereas the inflation is conventionally down ticking in the last 6 months. When was the peak? Just go there.
Which Cora?
Red line peak,
It's at
June. So that's about 6 months.
yes.
So it's 6 months down tick. Whereas housing is uptaking all the months, unless otherwise that starts down ticking, the inflation may not be under control. Other items are seeing moderately down ticking, so that's why the inflation is coming down. But shelter is not giving up, so it is holding that inflation above 5% or 2% target rate. So for it to come back down to 2%, shelter has to give up. All right, let's go to 100K.
Nothing else here?
Can you share the link, Priyanka,
Yeah, I will do it. I'll do it right away.
in chat away?
Yeah. Done. So that's all for the show, right, guys? We'll meet again evening at 3 o'clock. We'll move on to our 100K show.